Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Coursera and there are some offers on this platform. These offers really attract you because these offers are from IBM and it is valid till 31st of December of this year. And all courses are of AI and data science. This is the first course, Introduction to Data Science. This course is 4.6 star rated and 100% online course, and also this is beginner level course. Second is IBM AI Enterprise Workflow. Third is for business, fundamentals for business. Fourth is of IBM Applied AI. And all the courses are professional course or specialization course. And fifth is advanced data science with IBM. And here sixth is AI foundations for everyone. This is also 100% online course and it is 4.7 star rated. This is beginner level and it takes 20 hours to complete. Here all the course durations are so long because there are many courses are in this one specialization or professional certificate. Just like here there are 4 courses in this applied data science and this is the best courses. There are 2 courses here last. These are the best courses on Coursera. First of IBM AI Engineering and second is IBM Data Science. These are basic level courses and it is 100% online course and total 61 hours take to complete. And this is the IBM Data Science course which is the one of the best one courses. Total 9 courses are binded in this professional certificate. And this badge is also very important for those who are looking for data science as a career. And I'm going to explore this course IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Firstly, you wait until the promotional banner comes here. Here is the promotional banner. Start for free. This is 9 courses series and you find these courses when you take Coursera Premium Access, not a normal access. And Coursera never gives the free access of these courses. They give only 1 month subscription on this price of more than 2200. You also get career resources after completion of this professional certificate. This course is only in English and after that what is in this professional certificate, it is to build the skills to get a job and also hands-on projects are there in this course. The important is the enrolling in this course. I am going to show you enroll after showing this all courses. These are courses are total 9 courses. First is of what is data science, second is tools for data science methodology, Python for data science and AI, databases and SQL for data science, data analysis with Python, data visualization with Python, and machine learning with Python, applied data science, capstone. So these are the courses, total 9 courses. Coursera also offers these 9 courses individually. I'm going to subscribe. Your promotion will applied at checkout. When you tap on subscribe, you get a checkout option of this course of this professional degree. Here IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. No commitment, zero price, but one thing you need here, that is your debit card information. Here in the below there is need of debit card information, your name on the card, your country. I am writing India as our country is India, and after that there is need of card number, expire date and also CVV of your debit card. You doesn't hesitate on entering this information because there is easy cancellation of your card from this platform and there is no fraud going on Coursera. Until today there is no fraud listened by anyone. If you want any other card, then you go through Airtel Bank where you get a free debit card of MasterCard. You can apply that card on this platform. Hope you enjoy this video. That's all for in this video. Thanks for watching.